Welcome to ez1099, the 1099 tax form software. Follow these straightforward steps for a smooth installation. If you're a new client, you can experience ez1099 risk-free with our free demo version. No credit card required. Step 1. Prepare for installation. Ensure you're logged into Windows as an administrator or a user with installation permissions. Step 2. Download the ez1099 installation package. Visit the ez1099 download page and click Download ez1099. Once the download is complete, open your browser's download file list by clicking the download icon. Initiate the installation by clicking on ez1099 setup.msi. Step 3. Install ez1099. If you encounter an alert stating that ez1099 is not listed in the Microsoft Store, confidently click Install Anyway to proceed. Navigate through the user-friendly ez1099 installation wizard. Accept the terms by clicking I agree on the license agreement screen. Choose whether to install ez1099 for yourself or all users on the computer. Follow the on-screen instructions to seamlessly complete the installation process. Step 4. Accessing ez1099. A desktop shortcut will be created for easy access. Click it to run the ez1099 software. If you're a new client, you can click Help document links on the main screen or find the Help option in the top menu for a quick start guide. ez1099 has been trusted by thousands of clients for 2 decades, streamlining 1099 tax reporting for businesses of all sizes.